Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can assign a ringtone to contact on your iPhone 15. So first you have to open the phone dialer. Next you have to go to the contacts, pick one of it, then click on the edit button in the right upper corner, and you have to scroll down and find the ringtone. As you can see, currently it's set up to the default one, so we can switch. But also you are able to get the tone store right here. For some reason it doesn't appear for me, but I'm gonna show you how it looks on the iPhone 15 Plus. So when I go here and tap on the edit button, go to the ringtone, I can find this option right here, the tone store, but here it doesn't appear for some reason, but maybe it's only bug in my case. And then you just have to click down in the right upper corner and it's finished. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.